This is what I consider my journeyman's toolbox. It's just got the basic tools I need to do basic work, but with these basic tools you can do a lot of other things as well. So I've got a fret saw, combination square, gents dovetail saw, marking gauge, sanding block. Card scraper is an optional extra. It takes the place of a sanding block in many aspects. A strop for keeping my chisels keen. Chisels, I've got 5 there, basically you could get away with 3. And again, that's an added bonus luxury extra. That's a jig for sharpening the chisels on the stone. There's a marking knife and a cutting knife. A couple of pencils, a ruler. Again, this is an optional extra, but I find it very, very handy. It's a compass set, a rubber, a punch, a hammer, my favourite hand plane, which is a 5 1/4, otherwise known as a junior jack. Pretty thin on the ground nowadays. And a Stanley 060 low angle block plane. A sliding bevel, which again could be an optional extra. Small pair of pliers. A punch. A mallet. And a sharpening stone. Now all of that fits nicely and orderly into this little box. It's not really a big box to fit all those tools in. So I'll show you how they fit in there. That's it.